Hello everyone, my name is Akshaj and this is a small video where I'm downloading VS Code in my local setup and running a small Python code to verify it. So what is VS Code? VS Code is a code editor that helps programmers like us to write, edit and debug code for various applications in almost any programming language. So we are here at the official VS Code website and we can download it from here, and we have to be very specific with the operating system. So as this is a Mac OS, I'm going to download it from the here. So as I've already downloaded VS Code in my local setup, I'm going to skip this installation process and go to the VS Code IDE. The first process we have to do is to download an extension called Python, which will help us write the Python language codes in our VS Code. As you can see, I've already installed Python code. I'm going to jump in and show you the Python code I've written. This is a small Python code where it first takes the input of our name and then performs a small for loop counting over the numbers 1 to 5 and then returns this statement as a final output. So I'm going to try write this in the terminal. And when it asks my name, I enter it and it performs a for loop. This shows that the Python code is working very perfectly and our VS Code installation is successful. Thank you.